In this video, I will explain how to create a pop-up form for your WordPress website. Here you have to follow the two steps. Two steps means you have to install the two plugins for showing the pop-up form. Pop-up form. First, before that, I have to show the live website like how it's showing the pop-up form. Go to on the private window and just paste the link and just click enter. And now it's showing the pop-up form. After enter the form only, here you can place any type of form. For example, it's a contact form or it's a subscribe form or it's anything based on your requirements. So don't worry about that. Just follow my steps. The initial step is you have to install and activate the form editor plugin. Actually, the plugin used to create a number of forms based on your complete requirements. So first you have to install the form editor plugin and then you have to install the second plugin for pop-up maker. After activate the two plugins, you have to follow the steps. First open the form editor plugin, form editor, and then click forms. Already I have created three forms and now I create a new form. So here you can create any type of form, for example blank form, code request, newsletter, contact us, registration, login or anything. After that you have to after create a form, open the pop-up form. Go to on the all pop-up and then just create a new pop-up, and here you have to give some name for the title. Here you can also give some title for the name, the title mentioned and the in this place, and then click this button. Here the number of forms are showing where you have to create using the form editor. When you have to select the demo id, generate shortcode. So here the shortcode is automatically created, and here you can place the name for close button and close button delay. If suppose your close button delay in 0 seconds is that there is no movement. Suppose if you are activate this welcome button, here I have to set up for the close button for 17,000 milliseconds. So the close button showing after the 17,000 milliseconds. So this is the steps for create a pop-up form for your WordPress website. If you have any doubt, just comment below. I will explain how to solve that. And thank you.